Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to convert our cryptocurrency to cash. So I just sell my Pi worth 925 USDT, and as you can see here in my trading page there's the 925 USDT, and then here first thing I need to do is we need to move that USDT amount from the trading to the funding account. So let's transfer. As you can see, it is completed. Now if we check our funding, we have now the 925 US dollars. Next thing we need to do is go to P2P trading under the buy crypto, and then here we have the buy and sell. So going to select the sell, and since I'm from the Philippines, you can change here the country you live. Then here going to use not Gcash, so this payment method or bank. So as you can see, it automatically filters all those sell orders. So I'm going to sell this one to this account, and then here I'm going to sell all of my holdings, the 925 USDT. So this is worth 53k in my country, and then I'm going to select CBAC. So since I haven't registered this as my payment method, I'm going to click the add payment method, and then quickly here I'm going to enter my account number. Then going to click the add button, and then going to use this authentication, email authentication, and then the authenticator apps. So now I'm going to grab those and paste it here. So then just click the confirm. So as you can see, I have successfully added my payment method. So next thing I'm going to do is try this one again, and then here I can select CBank and then sell now. Then I'm going to confirm this. Just click the confirm button, and again I'm not sure if I'm going to suggest did this one, but yeah, let's try this one again. So I'm going to copy, then paste those in those input fields, then confirm. Now this will open in a new tab, and then here I can see here the order details, and then the buyer details, and also there's a chat box so you can send messages to the buyer. So here sometimes it will take minutes for them to send the money to our account, so you'll just need to wait for the money to be deposited in your selected payment method. So in the left section here, as you can see, we have here the payment or buyer's payment details. So I have my account and then the order details below. So let's try this feature. Hello. So actually this is my first time using the OKX platform, the P2P trading platform in OKX. Here I have received an email that the money is now deposited to my account. So next I'm going to do is so here there's a pending release of the USDT, so I'm just going to chat the buyer that I'm going to check my account. So I already did, so I'm going to send receive, and then I'm going to release the crypto to the buyer. So here, just for additional confirmation, I'm going to input how much amount I get. So since this is the amount, I'm going to just copy and paste that one, and then click the confirm. So Again, there's additional verification method. So I have email authentication and then the authenticator apps. I'm just going to paste those and write the key for the authenticator app and then confirm. So let me paste again. Confirm. Sorry, so this should be. What's that? So I guess it went through, huh? So I'm going to do a feedback that I receive, and here the order is now fulfilled. So that's it.